Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In our previous video, we have learned about the WooCommerce and the blog editor, how the FAC and the WooCommerce work together. But in this video, as I promised with all of you, that I'll show you how to use the loop builder and how to customize and display the products like with any layouts that you like to display. So for an example here, this is the tutorial, this is the video that I'm gonna show you how to create change the product page layout or display any product anywhere inside your website. So first of all, if I go to page or visit this website, this is our home page, or not the home page. Let's add a home page here. So this is the default theme right now, and you can follow the same with all the default themes, with all other themes. So home page, I'm gonna use home page here and type here, I'd like to use any hero area pattern or banner. Let's add something else. Let's add this one. So for an example, that this is our banner area here. And now inside the banner area, I'm going to add group and type here heading, type here our products. And now click on this settings icon, go to the styles tab and select the group from here, and then styles, add some padding top and bottom. That's it. And now inside the group product, if I click over here, I can simply type here loop. So I can display the products using loops. If I select start blank and choose any layouts here and type here or choose the post type product. So as you can see, the loops is displaying here the product title and everything. Like the post, you can display the product as well. Now if I select here the templates, I can make it grid. It's displaying as a grid templates, and let's make it full width here, and this one also full width. So it's displaying the head, which is the title, and here is the date. I do not want to use the date as of now, just delete this one and add before. Type here product title. So you can use the product title like this way. If you want, you can use the title as well. So I'm going to use the product title because it's related to the products, and I'm trying to stick with the product related blocks here as of now for this video. Product image. So here you can see the product image basically, and click on this arrow icon, is displaying at the top. And now type here add to cart. Here is the add to cart button, and display this title at the center, and below add product price, product rating also. Let's display the rating as well, and price, product price here, display them at the center. So it looks much better. By default it's already looks good. I'm not going to use the title as of now. I'd like to make them as a group here, and go to the styles tab and increase the block spacing. You can see we can increase and decrease the spacing between the items. And when we're using group, we can change the background color. Let's change the background color to our black or any color that looks much better or professional. So as of now, I'm going to use the black one. Change the product title color to the white color, and the price color should be the white color as well. And also the button that is right now, the background color, if I select outline, it's nothing, and the background color is, let's make it white, and the text color should be black. That's it. And go to the group again, add some padding top and bottom, and left and right. And also, if you take a look at here, the product templates, the product and group, there is displaying here, and the product templates itself, if I go to the styles and remove the spacing, you can see it's increase and decrease the spacing between the items here. But if I want, I can increase the spacing and decrease the spacing between these two items, which is the product image and product group as well. Now we can simply make them as a row if I select here, and we can make them a group, or we can make them row if I select group. And then you can see here block spacing, let's move it 0, and also select the product image. And let's take a look at here if this image has any margin. Yes, it has some margin. I just removed that margin as well. And let's make the image aspect ratio. Let's change it by clicking on this image, change the aspect ratio, because some of the image has some smaller height, some of them a bigger height, and that's why I would like to keep them similar. Let's make it height 250 or 350 would be perfect, and make it cover, and it looks much better. Now if you want, you can still change other styles here. Let's select the group here and go to the styles and change the border radius to 10 pixel if you want, or 20 pixel. It's not reflecting here. I don't know why. It should, maybe due to the post templates, it's not reflecting here. Let's change the radius from here and see if it's working or not. It's not working as well. The border will gonna work, but not the radius. Okay. So a lot of things you can play around here when you're creating the shop page, and you can change. If I'm too fast, maybe you can slow down the video, but still you can use here a cover block. You can still use here image block, and you can display the product image dynamically here. It's all about the perfect block that if you're using the product, you should have choose the product related blocks. If you are using post, then you should have select the post related blocks. Let's remove and click publish here. Let's view this page. Okay, let's click here. And you can see it looks like this. It looks decent, it looks okay, right? And we can go to the product single, and we can change the product view single page. We can add to product, we can see the reviews and other options here. Go back again, and if you do not want to make it looks like this, you can change this head and text or the price on the left side. You can add the add to cart on the right side. You can use only the icons as well. If I select here, there is no icons basically, but see if read more works. No, it's not going to work. And now if you want to change this layout, let's say for an example, you want to display the product image on the left side and the add to cart and text on the right side. I believe you can do it easily by clicking on this group. You can make it row here, and that's it. That's very simple. And just remove this background color from here. Click on minus, it's removed, and change the other color here. Click on minus here, and go to the styles and reset them. So it looks like this. So instead displaying the three products here at the same row, you can display the two products, and it will look much better. By clicking on this post template, select two column here. So this is exactly how you can change it, and also at the same time how you can make it more looks professional. And it completely depends your client requirements. It's all about the clients, how your client wants to make their store, how they wants to display them. It's all about their requirements. So follow their requirements, and I believe you can display those products like the one that your client wants. So there will be no issue at all. And that's it for today. So I hope you have some good understand how to use loop builder. Still, there is a lot of ways. Before closing, I just wanted to share with you product. Just type here product, and you can see product categories, product category list, product collections. So the collection is basically the one that I'm doing right now, and you can create your own. You can select the top product, you can select the hand-picked products, best seller, upsell product, related products, cross-sell, a lot of things that you can choose from here easily. Let's say the hand-picked products. If I select this one, you can see there is no products to display. So you have to adjust the hand-picked products from the filter options and the block settings panel. So if I go to the hand-picked, if I select this one, you can see here there is a grid layouts, and you have to search the product here. Let's add 4 products. Okay, I believe 3 product would be okay, and make them full width. At the same time, change the column to 3. That's it. You can design this page as well like the one that I shared with you. So there is no limitations, and you can also try a different styles and different looks from here. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about the WooCommerce, AI, and other features, feel free to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other questions and any projects that you want me to contribute, then feel free to share with me. Thank you so much.